In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a FlipGrid so you can put all of your children's book talk recordings on one grid and then just share that link with me. I've had so many problems over the past in trying to do one big long video that I think this way would be the easiest way to do it. And so you're going to create a FlipGrid account if you don't already have one. Then you're going to go to Educator Login, log in with Google. And then you'll see your dashboard, and you're just going to create new grid right here. And you're going to select the community type, and it doesn't really matter what it is, but I'm going to do PLCs in public. As long as you share the FlipGrid code with me, I'll be able to see it. So name your grid something like SHCC Final Book Talk Project, and then they created this code for you, which I would just keep it because you're going to have to share it with me. Click next. Okay. Click launch my grid. If you want to put a password, you can, but you're going to have to share it with me too because I'm really the only person that's going to see it. So just click on launch my grid, and then you can customize your grid. So if I were you, I would probably make you can change any of these things that you want, but make it active, personalize it with a picture if you want to, and then I'm not going to change any of that, but I am going to change the edit topic, because I'm going to put not Let's Connect, but Book Talk recordings. And then you can change the video response time. This is what I was looking for. You can make it all the way up to 5 minutes. You don't need to, but I would just set it up there just in case you get long-winded on one of them or something. And you don't really need this description. They add that already. And I would just put something like, I'm going to share my book talks here with you. Something like that. And then you don't need to moderate, none of that. You shouldn't freeze it, just leave it open. And then I'm going to delete that GIF. You can add something if you want to. But I think that is it. Leave it public, and then update topic. So then it's called Book Talk Recordings. And then if you click right here, share topic, and share with class, here's the copy of the code that I'm going to need. You'll notice that it's a little bit different than the whole grid code. Like this is, if I go back to my grids, here's a grid code. That's to this, and it includes every grid that you would make within this topic. But I want the one that is actually with your recordings grid. So you're going to be able to put 10 recordings on here of your books if you want to. You can put more than one book on a recording on one video if you want to, but you can't go over 5 minutes. If you want to make them all individual recordings, that's fine. If you want to do two, whatever, as long as you have all 10 of them there, it doesn't matter to me. And so this one is where you're going to get the code. So copy that, and then you would go to back over here to your scoring guide, and right here, link to the grid of your FlipGrid videos. That's where your code would go. Okay, and that is it. And then after you have it here, then you can go to your app on your phone, download the FlipGrid app, and then you can actually put that code in on the grid and just start your videos. You can also do them on your computer if you want to do that as well. So either way, you can share your book talk recordings with me, and that's it.